In the shimmering azure waters off the Jamaican coast, Captain Gary Williams was renowned for his daring dives and leadership of the submarine Aqua Sentinel. A native of Kingston, Gary's love for the ocean was born from childhood, but his latest mission would take him beyond anything he'd ever imagined. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Gary received an encrypted distress signal emanating from a mysterious underwater anomaly deep beneath the Caribbean Sea. His ship's sensors detected strange energy readings, something not from this world. Without hesitation, Gary suited up and piloted Aqua Sentinel toward the source. Descending into the abyss, the pressure intensified, but Gary's experience kept him steady. As he approached the anomaly, he saw a glowing, crystalline structure pulsating with an unnatural light. It seemed to defy the natural laws of physics, emitting signals that resembled a form of communication. Suddenly, the structure pulsed brighter, and a holographic image flickered to life. A being made of light, speaking in a language that Gary somehow understood. "We are explorers, stranded by a cosmic storm. Our ship was damaged, and we seek aid." Realizing they were extraterrestrial travelers, Gary made a quick decision. Using the submarine's advanced technology, he arranged a communication relay and promised help. But as he prepared to assist, the anomaly's energy began to destabilize, threatening to cause a catastrophic surge. With quick thinking, Gary activated the ship's emergency protocols. He guided Aqua Sentinel to create a protective barrier around the crystalline structure, stabilizing it long enough for the aliens to repair their ship remotely. In gratitude, the beings uploaded a data core into Gary's system, a blueprint for sustainable energy sources from beyond Earth. As the cosmic storm subsided, the alien vessel slowly drifted free. Gary watched as they disappeared into the depths of space, leaving behind a trail of shimmering light. He returned to the surface, his mind racing with the possibilities of what he'd just witnessed. Back on land, Gary kept the encounter a secret, but he knew the ocean had always been a gateway to the unknown. His adventure had only just begun. Deep beneath the Caribbean waves, the universe had revealed itself to him, and he was ready for whatever came next.